Now that our models are ready, we're gonna go directly to System Architect to create our schematic. We're gonna first create a new folder and name it. I'm gonna name it CW Schematic and click on Create. Then I'm gonna create a new schematic. I'm gonna name it CH1 and then Create. So this is the board we're gonna work with, and we can slide easily our components into it. We're gonna start by sliding a simulation control, this one, then double click on it and visualize the parameters. Here, the simulation mode we're gonna use is CW simulation, and the analysis type, since we are gonna do a frequency sweep afterwards, I'm gonna choose sweep analysis and nested sweep. Then we're gonna go to sources and choose our source, which is CW source. Double click on it, and we can see that our source is adapted to 15 ohms. And for the amplitude, I'm gonna choose minus 13 dBm because it's the one corresponding to my S-parameter files and the models I extracted. So we're gonna click on OK. Then, when it comes to the S-parameter blocks, we have two choices. It's either we go to the linear distributed, slide the S-parameter block and double click on it, then parameterize it by choosing the file here, clicking on the loop, and choosing S-parameter. Or we have another choice, which is to go directly here and click on device modeler, and we can see here the models that we extracted are listed. And for me, the best model was the LNA number 1, so I'm gonna click and slide it directly here, and we can see that the SNP block appearing on the screen. We connected, and when we double click on it, we can see that it already contains the file of the model. We're gonna do the same thing for the low pass filter, and we're gonna slide the block here and connect it.